Is your goal weight 130 pounds? My name is Bliss. I'm a fat loss specialist and I've been a personal trainer for 9 years. If you're on a weight loss journey, you're definitely going to want to save this video. So your goal weight is 130 pounds. And let's just say you're starting around 160 pounds because that's where I was. I was 168 pounds. I was working out every day. I felt like I was doing everything right, but I wasn't losing weight. So what did I start doing that was different that took me from 168 pounds to 130 pounds that I have maintained for 5 years now? So something that confuses a lot of people is how much protein to have. First thing I did was I changed my protein intake for 1 gram per pound of my goal weight. So my goal weight was 130 pounds. So I started consuming 130 grams of protein. With that, I made my caloric ceiling 1900 calories. So to keep it simple, to not overcomplicate things, your goal would be to eat 130 grams of protein and to have your caloric ceiling be 1900 calories every single day. Again, there's a lot more that can go into it, but if you're just getting started or you've been going back and forth, you've been losing and gaining the same 10, 15, 20 pounds, start here, do this for 90 days, and you're definitely going to see some results. Now, this is not me at my heaviest. This is not 168 pounds. This is me at 150 pounds. This is in 2018. Again, I had made progress. I had lost some weight, but I stuck at this body type for a very long time. Now, how I took my body from that to this, and again, this is what I maintain year round. I stay lean all year, and it's really from first implementing that first rule that I talked about. Obviously, it's going to go more in depth. There's going to be more to it, but I teach my clients how to maintain their progress. We're not doing anything that is going to cause you to go up and down through this roller coaster of weight gain and weight loss. We lose the weight, we keep it off, we maintain leanness, baby. This is an example of how you can break up your day with those two rules that you're going to follow. So a couple of different examples depending on your lifestyle, when you're hungry, all of that. Weight loss doesn't have to be overcomplicated. Don't let people fool you. It can be simple.